I often get a lot of queries about Scrum Master certification. That is, which certification to go for, what is the examination pattern, how much is the cost, how to enroll, and other related things. Today we will talk about one of the most popular and widely recognized Scrum Master certification called as CSM, Certified Scrum Master. In this video, I'll tell you all about it, and I'll also give you my exclusive discount code through which you can get some good discount if you enroll for CSM. So let us get started. What is CSM? CSM stands for Certified Scrum Master. It is a Scrum Master certification which is well recognized across the globe and all industries. The certifying body which issues this CSM certificate is known as Scrum Alliance, which is a very well known global community in the agile space. This certification includes 2 days of training, which could be virtual or in person. So, total it is about 16 hours of training, 8 hours each day, and then it is followed by an examination. Having the training in CSM certificate is a must have. You cannot skip the training. You first have to go for training and then appear for the exam. There are no prerequisites as such for CSM certificate. You just have to get yourself enrolled, and then this includes training plus examination. Who should do CSM? So anyone who is starting their journey as a Scrum Master can do this, as it will help you to know what is the Scrum framework and what are all the roles and responsibilities for various members of a Scrum team, including the Scrum Master. So it will help you to get yourself well accompanied with this role, and anyone who is aspiring to become a Scrum Master can also take up this certification. Then any existing Scrum Master who is already playing this role but doesn't have any certification, so that person can go ahead and do this so that you can validate your knowledge and have the certification. And any users of Scrum, be it developers, product owners, team leaders, managers, any other stakeholders who are interacting with the Scrum team, can do this as it will help you to understand how a Scrum team functions. Anyone who wants to learn Scrum framework and wants to add a good credential to their profile can do this. So irrespective of what is your current role, what is your current industry, you can certainly do the certification, as Scrum is one of the most widely used agile way of working these days, and it is applied in all the industries, in all kind of teams, and now it is being applied at a very large level, at the organizational level also. So you can go ahead and do this. It will definitely add a good value to your profile. As I said, Scrum is not just limited to software industry. It is nowadays being used across all the industries. So now we have space projects which are being executed through Scrum framework. HR, marketing, these functions are using Scrum, and various other type of industries and domains are using Scrum. So it is for all industries and for all type of domains. How much does the CSM certification cost? So for a India batch, it will cost you around 20K in Indian rupees, and it would be in English language. For US batch, it would be nearly 370 USD, and again it would be in English language. The timing and instructors would vary for both the batches. This CSM certification is also available for uh, all other countries and in various different languages, and the cost would be at par. Now, is CSM worth it? So I would say yes, very much. because it is very well recognized Scrum Master certification. It is widely accepted across the globe and in all the industries. It certainly helps in the career progression and adds a good value to your resume as well as your current job role. What is the examination pattern and passing percentage for CSM? So in the exam you would get 50 multiple choice questions and the passing score is 74%. So out of the 50 questions you have to get at least 37 answers correct, and the duration of this exam is 1 hour. Talking about the difficulty level of CSM, so I would say that this exam is quite easy to crack. All you need to do is to focus well on the training that is being given to you and go through all the material and whatever is being taught to you, and it will enable you to pass this exam. How to enroll yourself for CSM? So there are multiple training providers available out there these days. I would refer you to Knowledge Hut. I have personally done a few certifications from them and they provide a good support. If you enroll through Knowledge Hut, you would also get my referral code and a discount code through which you can get some good discount. And in the following slides, I'll be explaining the step-by-step process for enrollment for the CSM. So the first step is that you can go to knowledgehut.com and in the search bar you can just type CSM. Then you would see this certified Scrum Master and you can click there. And then you will see this view schedules black button. So you can click here and it will show you all the available upcoming trainings. So based upon your availability, you can choose which training suits you the best and you can select that one. Then it will show you which plan you want to go for. So Knowledge Hut gives two type of plans. One is the basic plan and second is the pro plan. Right. So in the basic plan, they'll include only the training and examination. But in the pro plan, they also give a few more features like extended support, resume building, and then they have partnered with some recruitment companies. So they also help you with the placement. So you can choose whatever plan you like. And then when you choose the plan, after that you will land on this page wherein you can register and purchase the certification. So on the registration page you have to enter my referral code, which is highlighted here in yellow, and I have also shared this referral code in the description box. And on the right hand side of this page you can see the promo code. So in the promo code you have to enter my discount code, which is priya 8, priya 8, and then you can apply this. Once you apply you will see the discount, whatever discount you are getting you will see that, and then you can make the payment and finish the enrollment. If you need more help with the CSM certification, then you can contact the Knowledge Hut course advisor for any type of support. I have shared the email ID in the description box. Now, what next after CSM? So, CSM is the first or the basic level of Scrum Master certification. After this, there are two more certifications which are issued by Scrum Alliance. So, the second level is called as ACSM, which is Advanced Certified Scrum Master. And the third level is CSPSM, which is Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master. So, as the levels increase, the difficulty level also gets increased. Now we will talk about what are the other similar certifications available. So some of you would already know that a certification that closely resembles CSM is called as PSM, which is called as Professional Scrum Master. So in any of the Scrum Master job opening, you would often see that they ask that the person should either be CSM or PSM. So both have equal kind of recognition in the industry. Both are equally good, I would say, but there are some significant differences between the two. So I will explain the differences to you. First is the certification body. CSM is issued by Scrum Alliance, as I just informed you guys few minutes back, and PSM is issued by scrum.org. The full form of PSM is Professional Scrum Master. Talking about recognition, both are widely accepted and equally recognized. The difficulty level for CSM is quite easy, but PSM is between easy to medium. So PSM is not that easy. PSM is little bit difficult, I would say. Talking about the cost, including training and exam, so CSM would cost you nearly 20k INR, whereas PSM would cost you roughly 23k INR, and this may vary a little bit. And when we talk about training, so in CSM, as I mentioned, that having the 2 days of training is mandatory. So when you enroll for CSM, by default you get enrolled for training plus exam. So this 20k includes training plus exam. In PSM, you can skip training. So if you don't want to go for training, you can directly take the exam. The the cost which I have mentioned above, the 23k, this includes training plus exam, but if you want to skip training, you can directly go for exam, and it would cost you somewhere around 10k. So if you have already very good knowledge of Scrum and you are already practicing it correctly, your fundamentals are clear, right? So you think that that you can clear this, you're confident enough, so you can go ahead and appear for the examination. But as I mentioned, PSM is quite difficult. If we compare it with CSM, then I would say that it is difficult than CSM. um, Certificate expiry, right? So CSM requires renewal in every 2 years, so you can get your certification renewed. Otherwise, you can also appear for the next level. So automatically you will get the next level of certification. You won't need the previous one then. And a plus point with PSM is that this certificate is valid for lifetime. It never expires. Passing score, CSM is minimum 74%, but in PSM the passing score is 85%, which is quite on a higher side. That is why again passing the PSM is a bit tricky and difficult. And the next levels for both, so CSM I already told you, the second level is advanced CSM and third level is CSPSM. In PSM, the second level is called as PSM2 and the third level is called as PSM3. So this was all about the differences between CSM and PSM. You can choose whatever you like and you can appear for the same. If you want to go for PSM, then also you can enroll through knoweldgehut and follow the same procedure as I explained previously. Then also you can use my referral code and discount code and get enrolled in the same way.